Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kohlrabi, and I have some specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with kohlrabi. So if you're looking for some new recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Combine kohlrabi with apples, lemon, and mustard, as in a slaw. Kohlrabi plus basil and mushrooms. Kohlrabi plus celery root, nutmeg, onions, and potatoes. Kohlrabi with chili pepper flakes and mustard. Kohlrabi with chives and lemon. Kohlrabi with dill and feta cheese. Kohlrabi with dill, horseradish, lemon juice, and sour cream. Kohlrabi with garlic, Parmesan cheese, and parsley, as in a risotto. Kohlrabi with garlic and soy sauce. Kohlrabi with sesame seeds and soy sauce. Now if you want further ideas on recipes, I have a lot of recipe links using kohlrabi on my blog post on this topic. A link is below to the blog post. Just scroll down and look for recipe links, and there's a lot of ideas there for you to choose from. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.